At the foot of Western Ghats in South Tamil Nadu, Kalasalingam Academy of Research and Education has been a path-breaking institution for higher education. Our academy owns a research facility of international standard called International Research Center with exclusive high-end instruments. Every stream of the institution possesses lab amenities with systems for conductive learning. Centralized library influences the education and academic achievement. The institution is full of greenery and has an excellent environment. Also, it owns a chlorinated purified swimming pool. It possesses a health center and ambulatory services. As for us, the Department of Biomedical Engineering and the School of Bio and Chemical Engineering is concerned, they are providing out skillful biomedical service providers. The department having highly knowledgeable professors from different areas. The academics of biomedical is structured in a way for the benefit of the students. Starting from the freshman induction program for the freshers to start their college days with zero hesitation. Practically, our students are developing their knowledge through the laboratory facilities available within the Biomedical Engineering Department. Laboratory includes Biomedical Instrumentation and Equipment Laboratory, Biochemistry and Human Physiology Laboratory, Pathology and Microbiology Laboratory, Diagnostic and Therapeutic Equipments Laboratory. Not only the blackboard teaching but also the digital learning such as virtual laboratory, Google Classrooms and various pedagogical tools are in practice for better connection with the students. CGPA is not only the concern in the institution, also non-CGPA that includes internships, industrial trainings, extracurricular activities and co-curricular activities. The Department of Biomedical Engineering undergone ABET accreditation in the year of 2020. Apart from these, the Department of Biomedical Engineering actively organizes various technical and non-technical events such as Department Inaugural Function, Symposium, Conferences, National Level NSS events, etc. The students of the Biomedical Engineering Department are very much interested in involving themselves in various events such as entrepreneurship programs, seminars, conferences and department symposium and so on. In the year 2018-19, the department is awarded rank 1 in IQAC quality metrics. It is a great honor to the Department of Biomedical. Our alumni students are sharing their experience with us.
Hi, I'm Vinod Kumar. I did my graduation in a stream of BTech Biomedical Engineering at Kalasalingam Academy of Research and Education in the year of 2015 to 2019. Currently, I am working as a biomedical trainee at Machasi, Madurai. Kalasalingam Academy of Research and Education provides a better learning of environment that includes a placement training and practical oriented training and hospital training and etc. It helps in grooming my personality.
With regard to my department, we have excellent lab facilities. They are well constructed and they possess high-end equipments and instruments through which students can gain more practical knowledge. And the faculties are really creative, innovative, and flexible to the students. Never hesitate to work with the students with lots of technical steps. They also help the students to showcase their talents in non-technical stuff as well.
We are proud to be a student in this institution. We learn so many things. Studies is not only important to our life, but we need to know which is good and which is wrong, how to face the failures, and how to be successful in our life. In our institution, there is a good accommodation and having the awesome climatic condition and having a good library facilities too. Not only in academic wise, but also they are giving equal importance in the sports, swimming, and other club activities, so that the students were eagerly interested to show out their talents.
If you are interested to join biomedical engineering at Kalasalingam Academy of Research and Education, kindly contact us for further queries.